Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Nana from Picrisy Press. Today I want to share you about how to cough or sneezing with good ethics. First, when you want to sneeze or cough, we have to prepare tissue. We take tissue for close our nose and our mouth like this. After that, we trash the tissue and we wash our hands. We have to wash our hands with soap and water. Okay. And the second, when you have a mask, just wear a mask. But when you want to wear a mask, we have to close our nose and our mouth from the mask because some of the people wear a mask only close their mouth and it's not true. And third, when you don't have a mask or a tissue, but you need to cough or sneeze, we use our elbow to close our mouth and nose like this. And then we wash our hand again. Oh yeah, remember when after you already done to wear your mask, you have to broke your mask and trash it, and we have to wash our hand again. But when we don't have water or soap, we just wear the hand sanitizer like this. Like this. And maybe you can try this at home, and maybe that's all from me now, and that's it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.